Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Investing. Today is May 16th, May 16th, 2024. Markets are open. It is 12:15 p.m. East Coast here in Florida. So today's two stocks that we're going to be going over is for the banking services sector. So as you can see, I have ticker symbol GLBZ and ticker symbol IMPM. We're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to go over the first one, ticker symbol GLBZ. So looking at the first page that we always do, doesn't look good by the numbers. Dividend they need to get rid of. Market cap looks awful. Volume, nobody's really trading that. So 52-week high, 52-week low, pretty awful as well. So far I see awful numbers. Looking at the chart, 5-year, we have a high of about $9. Then in 2020 of May, that low of about, so that high of about $9, low of about, I don't know, 6 and change. We actually broke that 5-year low back in 2023, back in October. It actually surged up late 2023, and then as you can see in 2024 it started to drop again. So not a lot of momentum, not a lot of movement. The stock is just getting worse. Sucks to see that very low market cap companies are struggling. They're not really getting bought up. They're just going bankrupt. Nobody's really mentioning it. Now we're just gonna move on to the, let's see here. I don't know if I can have the quants. So quants overall rating, they have given it a 1 out of 5 overall rating. Highest rating that I see is income. I can't agree with that. That is the highest. Well, I'm gonna say the highest, but it looks like the most important factor out of these 5, which is the income. And again, that income is way too high for this stock. Reason being, because it's going over its earnings. It makes no sense to pay something as much as you're earning. Might as well go bankrupt, which is what's happening. Makes no sense to give every penny just given away. Our way. Let's look at the yearly, because 2024 estimates only for the first quarter are being given out. So 2023 results should be posted. So you can see they're not even earning 1% on their return on assets. ROE, it's gone up, earned 8%. The earnings, it's about the same. They haven't even reached the 1. Obviously the best year for the last 5 years was 2021, because obviously everybody was doing good. All that US deficit and all that money printing, so obviously net margins were pretty good too. So we fast forward 2 years later from 2021, looking into 2023, that's a drop of about 9%, close to it. That doesn't seem like much, but when you take all those numbers into consideration, that really is pretty much a big drop, almost half of what they're earning. That 94%, 94.5 to be exact. Cash flow or cash reserves, about the same for the last 5 years. We have net income at 1.43 million. That's the lowest it has been in the last 5 years. Total revenue is at 13.24. Balance sheet we have 351 million in 2023. for assets. And then their debt is at 332. So obviously that brings the debt levels and percentages up to 94.5. We have the cash flow, operating, investing. Let's see. So that's what I'm trying to do the math. So 17.6. So that's around 19 million. So what do we have for cash flow for financing? So let me think. They're about 14 million negative in cash flow. Not good. Let me look at their net income. So yeah, it's not good. This is definitely, they're in the deficit. They're in the hole about at least 12.5 million, 12.6 more or less. That's like baseline. It's a little bit more, but just being generous, about 12.6 negative in cash flow. It's awful. Dividends, I don't even want to look at it. And again, the company is GLBZ. The name is called Glen Burnie Bancorp. So for this stock, if you have it, or if you're thinking about having it, I'd say no. Definitely not a good stock. So again, do not add this to the watch list. Next one up is ticker symbol IMPM. You know how I feel about over-the-counter stocks. You can already see OTCPK. Do not like that. There's no volume on the stock. The last 5 years, reaching new lows, no activity, no movement. Nothing is pretty much being active for this stock. It's only at 2 cents. It makes no sense to even look at this stock. Nothing going on really. We have let's see the analysis. Nothing for quant ratings. I won't be surprised if they haven't even reported, or the app doesn't even consider taking them into consideration for the results and their reports and their filings. So the last results that I have actually is for 2022. It looks like they haven't posted anything for 2023. We're already almost halfway through the year, so I have no numbers for 2023. But again, no activity, market cap, no movement on the stock. It just looks awful. Sorry to say, but there's nothing going on with this stock really. Nothing. So that's all I have for you guys. So again, this stock is pretty much trash and useless. I'm surprised it's not delisted yet. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.